Hey, welcome to Saddletree Homes. I'm Jordan. We're here at 4578 Outlook Ridge Trail in the Cordera community. We're going to take a look today at our Magnolia floor plan. This house is 5-bed, 4.5 bath with a 3-car garage, and it is move-in ready. It's gorgeous. Let's go take a look. Welcome in. As we step into the house, the first thing that we see is how bright and open it is. We have 12-foot ceilings here in the great room, and across the back of the house, those windows are all 6 feet tall. So we get a lot of natural light. The space feels really open and inviting. Let's take a closer look. We're here in this bright open great room. This space is 20 by 20. Again, 12-foot ceilings in here. Take a look at this awesome stacked stone full surround on the fireplace. It is a gas fireplace and a box alder mantle. Beautiful. This kitchen showcases some of the best of Saddletree's design features. We have great function in here as well as beautiful space. We've got a 9x5 island here. The whole backside of this island has 2-foot deep cabinets, so you have a lot of space for storage. We've got nice modern KitchenAid appliances, all in stainless steel, and an oversized granite sink. Here in the dining nook, we see again 10-foot tall ceilings. The windows to my side are all 5'6" tall, so we have a lot of natural light in here. And just behind me is a sliding glass door that goes out to the oversized covered deck, giving you a great flow from indoor to outdoor entertaining. Here in the master bedroom, as we start our tour into the whole master suite, we see again tall ceilings, oversized windows, and just behind we have open space. So before the next houses get built, you're going to have a nice buffer giving you some privacy behind your house. As we step into the 5-piece master bath, we're going to walk through this 8-foot tall opening with a glass barn door and take a look at this oversized soaker tub, the 0-entry frameless glass shower, undermount sinks, and quartz countertops. This master closet shows one of the unique features that separates Saddletree from some of our other builders in the community. We do all wood shelving in our closets. So here we see a great combination of hanging space and shelving for storage. The guest bedroom at the front of the house is 14 by 11, so it is an oversized space. We've staged it as an office and it works great for that purpose, but it can also be a bedroom. One great feature about it is that the bathroom is attached. So here we have a full bathroom and we have a tub shower combo. When you come out of the garage, you step right into an oversized laundry and mud room. All right, let's take a look at this basement. At Saddletree, we think that your basement should be another beautiful, livable part of your home. So we try to make it as bright and inviting as the upstairs. We do 9-foot ceilings in our basements. We keep the oversized windows at least 5 feet tall like we have upstairs. We put more bedrooms down here and a wet bar. Let's take a look at some of the great features this has to offer. This wet bar features a stacked stone backsplash, oak shelves with downlights, an undermount sink and quartz tops, and space for a wine fridge. Our clients tend to tell us that they like their basements to be an inviting guest space. Here we have an oversized guest room, which would be perfect for mom-in-law or the college kids who are coming back to visit, with a full bathroom right next to it. On this side of the basement, we have 2 bedrooms separated by a full bath. The bathroom has 2 sinks in it since these rooms will be sharing the space. And we see, again, tall ceilings and oversized windows. Outside on our covered deck now, this deck is huge. It's 18.5 by 12. We've got recessed can lighting, we've got a barbecue line already plumbed, and stairs that take you down to the backyard. This is a great space for entertaining. Thank you so much for taking the time and touring this home with me today. For more information, I'm Jordan. You can contact me at 719-331-2852 or jordan@saddletreehomes.com. Saddletree Homes. We build the home you see when you close your eyes and dream.